Hey again, Gina Jett back here with reason number 5 why private makeup instruction is so much more effective than YouTube videos. Now, I know I'm going to upset some people with this, but I'm ready. I'm ready for the hate mail. But the last reason to me is not so obvious to somebody who isn't a professional working artist, and that's that a lot of the artists on YouTube are not actually professional makeup artists. They're not trained professionally, and they're not going out there and working on faces for a living. They're great at doing their own makeup, and they're great at maybe doing a friend's makeup, but a lot of them are into just having their channels monetized, and they're leaning and pushing specific products because they're endorsed by those companies and things like that. So you have to be able to tell the difference between really qualified teachers and good information versus bad habits and misinformation, which I think is about 90% of YouTube videos are about misinformation. So having a private makeup instructor is going to train you how to decipher the difference between the two, how to spot them, and how to, once you get your sea legs and you start to learn what you're doing with makeup, then you'll be able to distinguish which ones are real and which ones are not. Now, last comment here. I have to state that there's a lot of really great artists on YouTube, a lot of fantastically talented and very qualified artists. I know who they are, I watch them, I love them, and I'm absolutely willing to give you a list of who they are so you can learn a lot from them. But again, they're assuming that you already kind of know what certain things, tools, and products do and what they're for. Once you learn those things, then you're going to be a lot more able to follow along. So I encourage people to do some private makeup training first, and then go out into the world of YouTube and be ready for it and be able to tell who's full of it and who's not. So that's it. Those are my top 5 reasons. There's a lot more reasons, but these are the top 5. So if you feel like you want to talk to me about it or answer or ask me some questions, feel free, send me a message and I'll answer your questions. So thank you all for watching so much. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.